or potato pudding and or cornmeal pudding. Both of them are my Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't know, it's a girl Lati and I am here with another video. So in this video I'll be doing a one has to go challenge. So I'm not really see the one popular upon YouTube. I'm not really sure, but I not see it popular upon YouTube. I saw another YouTuber, a Jamaican YouTuber done it. So yes, I'm doing the one has to go or have to go challenge. So guys, as I always say, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And I would like to say a big thank you to all who take the time out to subscribe to my channel. Yes, thank you very much. So guys, stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. So let's get right into the video. So the first one will have our potato pudding and our cornmeal pudding. Both of them are my favorites. I love me some potato pudding and I love me some cornmeal pudding, but one has to go, and the one that is going to go is the cornmeal pudding. Yes, some potato pudding have to stay. So on the other one we have our sour sop and our sweet sop, but one has to go. One has to go. So I always eat sour sop. Now and then me get one sweet sop. Me sour sop tree in my yard. Now and then me get one sweet sop to eat. So I would say the sour sop would go. The sweet sop, yes, straight stay. Now and then me get sweet sop to eat. We eat sour sop all the while. So sweet sop I go stay and sour sop I go. So the next one is avocado. We call it pear, Jamaican pear, and a foreign pear which come like a foreign apple. So avocado for Jamaica pear and foreign pear, and the one we have to go is the foreign pear. Has to go. The next one we have is the foreign apple, our Jamaican apple. So I don't know, foreign apple me not too love it, kind of too chewy. So I'm gonna go with the Jamaican apple. I don't know if you never have a Jamaican apple before. Part of your life gone. You need to try. Nice. So the next one we have is our national dish, the ackee and saltfish and the fry fish. One has to go. The one I'm gonna send off, I'm gonna kill and bury, is the fry fish. Even though I love fry fish, I'm gonna kill it and I'm gonna bury it, because ackee and saltfish, I love it. Bad. With either fried dumpling or fried breadfruits, and then things there, I cook up boiled dumpling and banana. You know the thing. The next one we have our oxtail and curry mutton. I'm gonna two in the oxtail something over there, so that kill and dash and berry for me. I not so in the oxtail or something. But the curry mutton now. One time I said curry mutton like every day when I go to shop. I have to buy one box of that insing. Insing when the curry mutton bad. If you don't hear me. The curry mutton bad to the world. To the world. I have to eat one time I have to eat the curry mutton like every day. The next one we have the orange and the tangerine. Tangerine or tangerine. For me, the tangerine can go. The orange, yeah, more. I love orange. If we buy 6 orange right now, I don't know like one time. That's how I love orange. I love orange. I want tangerine in my yard, so that can go on. That can dash. Dash. Next. For me. The next one we have Frosted Flakes and honey roasted cereal. I love me some Frosted Flakes and I love me some honey roasted cereal. See, me started the honey roasted cereal for other day. My sister introduced me to it and I love it. I love it. It's nice. Because you have everything in there. I also have the Frosted Flakes inside. So I love it. I love it with white milk. Nice. Yes. So the Frosted Flakes has to go for me right now. Has to go. It's already in the honey roasted cereal. And the honey roasted cereal become my favorite. So I love me some honey roasted cereal. Yeah. The next one we have our cornmeal porridge and our oats porridge. I don't like oats porridge. I drink it, but I don't so like it. So the cornmeal I eat it day, nights, and everything. We eat for morning, noon, and nights. Yes, lunch and dinner. Well, I drink it, but I don't love it. Next one we have the fried flour and fried breadfruits. I eat fried flour very often. So the fried breadfruits. Who live in Jamaica? I never have fried breadfruit in my life. Only to fly come down to Jamaica when the corona done and try it out. I don't get somebody send it to Congo and I need to try it out. It's not nice. You know what's really nice? When it ripe or when it turn, you go fry, you roast it and you go fry. Or if it look I can salt fish. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The next one is curry chicken or brown stew chicken. They are my favorite in chicken. I love fried chicken. Give me my brown stew chicken or my curry chicken. But one half to go. One of me a kill and berry at the brown stew chicken. My curry, all the curry chicken, I say curry chicken like every day. See somebody go to my boyfriend can you say I can curry chicken. Curry chicken. If my boyfriend go buy me food right now, you know if you buy, you don't have to ask nothing. Curry chicken. I love curry chicken. I love curry chicken. I love it. I like it. Nice. Yes. And the next one is bun and cheese and bread and cheese. Obviously, I haven't get a bread and cheese, but I get the grilled cheese. Obviously, it's still bread and cheese, but you know, you put on the grill and the melts. So it's grilled cheese and bun and cheese. I would say the grilled cheese. I love grilled cheese. When I used to work, I used to make grilled cheese. I used to eat it like every day. Every morning I used to have like grilled cheese. Bun and cheese, no, I eat bun and cheese regular. That can't go on. Grilled cheese, we really have grilled cheese for a while now. So yes, I would say the grilled cheese. So this is the end of my one has to go video. So guys, Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more video. Yes, and comment down below which one is your favorite. Yes, which one is your favorite. And guys, if you have video ideas, please you can suggest it in the comment section down below. And please again, please remember to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my little Lottie family. Thank you for watching. Bye.